So here's my Santee 160 tiller steer. It's got the lower front deck and a high rear deck. I made it a stick steer. I run the minnkota 80-pound trolling motor on it. The Ninja blade really helps with weeds, so does the transducer. Shield and Saber Company's wedge. That Garmin I have, I got a cable network from Golden Channels, so it's hooked to my Tohatsu motor. I get, I think, RPMs and oil pressure and water pressure and 2 or 3 alarms. It's kind of nice. This is a stick steer boat. It's a little front heavy with just 1 person in it. With 2 people, it is awesome. If I put an ice chest in the back, then it's very good too. But if you do a stick steer, I highly recommend that you get one of these adjustable seats. It's nice when I'm just running the river to be down low and all, but when I'm going to fish for hours running the trolling motor, it'll come up over I think it's like 16 inches higher, and it's really comfortable to be able to be up that high and run the trolling motor. I moved the panel switch up front. It used to be in the back. These boats are not quite 16 foot long. They're about 59 to 60 inches wide at the widest point. What's awesome about that is you have about a 58-inch floor in it, where in an aluminum boat that's 60 inches wide, you're doing good to get a 40-inch floor. So it's a very stable boat. From the back of the front seat to the front of the rear seat is about 6 foot 10 inches the way this boat is set up, so there's plenty of room for 2 fishermen. Live well makes a nice third seat with a cushion. I took PVC board that you'd use like on facial boards on your home, cut and painted it, and mounted my rod holders. Got a push pole stuck over there. The way these stick steer brackets are, my rod tips go in there. I kind of like that. I've got a little Amazon Velcro cup holder with some tools, fish tails and so forth in it. Up under the rear deck, that's big enough to hold life vest, a 6-gallon tank, 2 batteries. I run the Dakota lithium, the dual purpose, so they crank and start. The Tohatsu 25, they're 28 miles an hour with just me in it the way it's set up, and runs about 26 with 2 people. Fishing gear loaded down with ice, everything is, so it's a good running motor. My CMC bracket is just a breakaway bracket. The outboard itself has factory tilt and trim, so that's good. Works good. Boat buckle latches work good. Also, it's a stable boat. It's a comfortable boat. I really like it. Let me know what y'all think.